Good day, traders. Welcome to the 30th of January 2017. This trade idea is called ITU. Entry price is 45.06. Take profit is 48.06 cents, and your stop loss is 44.25. This is a long trade. Take cautious. Take notice on your quantity, on your risk and reward calculations. If you go on this share on 120 shares, you're going to get a risk and ratio of 1.2. That means your risk is 158 Rand 29 cents and your reward is 296 Rand and 31 cents. As soon as you reduce that quantity to example 80 shares, this might have a big effect on your risk and reward ratios. Example, on 80 shares, I'm looking at 124 Rand 80 as a loss and a reward of 180. Your risk doesn't go twice into your reward. Even if you go for 10 shares, this is going to influence your trade totally. Yeah, you're going to have a risk of 68 Rand minus and a minus 50 Rand. You don't want that. So you need to go and use your risk and reward calculations to get a 1-to-2 ratio. Looking at the trade itself on indicators, you can see the share is quite low here at 45, 40 levels, currently at a low of 45, 10, 12 for today. So our entry is 45.06 with a hope that a bounce might go up here to the top here of about 48.06 cents. And you can see your indicators are also quite low on this day chart that you're viewing here. Enjoy the trade.